set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one